So what we're trying to achieve is a drip of the seal, so that the water escapes from the very corner. It's sealed around the outside and glued firmly to the hardtop, and it's sealed along the back here. So before we start, we'll clean off all the old glue and clean off this area. So just snip off the old glue. And scrape off any excess glue or sealant. Okay. So first thing we need to do is to form the seal into a drip like this. So we put some glue down into the end of the bulb and then hold it in this position until the glue goes off. And we're using ordinary cyanacrylate super glue. So this is now glued, the bulb's glued together, and we're looking to fix it in this position with the end of the bulb down against here. So we're going to apply some silicone sealant in this area and some glue, super glue, onto the end of the seal. Press it into place so that this is completely sealed, and then hold the seal against the hardtop. Once that's dry, we'll put some more silicone into here and just tidy it all up. So use a spatula, a rubber spatula, or a gloved finger just to smooth the silicone out, making sure that there's a nice seal there. And we'll just apply a little more sealant down the end of the seal and smooth that off. And that's finished.